We are back with more horror short films. For this video, I'm only gonna react to two because these two are honestly kind of lengthy. If you guys do enjoy these lengthy horror short videos and want me to react to more lengthy horror short videos, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you don't, I'll be outside your house tonight. For the first video, we're reacting to a video called Pleasant Inn that was uploaded by Alter. Let's get into it. What's with this already? Like the animation style? Clean. Yo, this is too clean. What the heck is that? Oh, nah. Lady, keep driving. Freak. Lock that door. She got cuts on her ankles and shit. Wait, this is too creepy. Let's change what this quality looking like, bro. There it is. Pleasant Inn. I think this is, yeah. Yo, I'll never sleep at a motel. I just can't do it. Just not sanitary, you know? Cable and Wi-Fi. She's lit. Nice old lady. Is that a guy? I don't think that's a guy. Video's very quiet. Like, there's no voice acting so far. That is not a guy. No big butt check? Hello? We just gonna get in a motel bed? Lady's crazy. Oh no, it followed her to the motel, bro. Oh no. Look at it. With his freaking cut up ankles. Oh, what the? Oh. The sweet old lady is just fraud. No. That's not that old lady, bro. The window's wide open. Oh no. Oh no, is that a centipede? W. We got freaking Earl. Get him, Earl. Oh, bro. Rest in peace to Earl.
Oh!
Man, they got Earl. So sorry, Earl. Yo, she needs to like get out of here. Oh, she has to get in her car. Yo, she's cooked. Oh, drive, lady. The freak is that thing? Man. Oh, Earl. Oh nah. Oh nah. That's not pleasant at all. Oh, bro. What the freak? Oh no, it's about to do it all over again. Of course he stops. That is something, bro. That was I kind of like that one. That one was pretty good. I don't know what the freak that thing was. It was like banging on the window, some centipede thing. And then my boy Earl, rest in peace. And for the last horror short film, I have a video called Method by Tyler Shirzowski. I think that's how you say your name. I'm sorry if I butchered it. It had a cute little doggy on it, so you know me had to look at it.
Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Matt and I am a professional dog walker.
And I'm Omari, you feel me?
Professional dog walker. I love dogs. I actually think I used to be one in a past life. And tonight I'm going to take you on one of my runs to show you some of my methods on how to get the coveted 5-star review. All right, let's do this job together. So I just accepted this one earlier today and I've just arrived at the address. And the owner actually said that he's a fan of the channel. Very cool. But seriously, praise and reviews like that, they really do mean a lot to a guy like me. All right, so it says that this dog's name is Toby. He is 30 pounds, and he's a 4-year-old Shepherd mix. He loves cuddling and watching I Love Lucy. Aw. Says he is shy and can be a little overprotective of his home. Who isn't? But just play fetch with him, and he'll love you forever. He's this cute little guy. Let's go meet him.
Method. This might be dog method. Yo, look at my hair, man.
Okay, so this one's gonna be pretty easy. It said that Toby has plenty of water, and so I just need to feed him and then take him out afterwards. Also, the owner texted me, and he said that he unlocked the door for me remotely.
Now that's sketchy. Remotely? Nah.
Just gonna slip these off to be polite.
That means he can lock you in remotely.
Toby, come here, bud. Toby?
You're the Toby.
Guess he's hiding.
Come here, boy.
Did say he was shy, so. Oh, what does that smell?
Bruh.
Oh no.
Yo, was that a dog turd?
Yeah, that can happen. Man, that is large. It's weird. I thought he was supposed to be a little guy. Not sure how he managed to pull that off, but okay. Yeah, I'm gonna deal with that later.
Get my boy vlogging for us.
3 scoops, please. If Toby is hiding, please bring his food to him. Okay?
Oh, heck no. I don't trust Toby already.
Yeah, so what you saw back there on the floor, that happens more than I would like, unfortunately. The cleanup is not fun, but it's going that extra mile that gets you the good review, so. Wow, that is a lot of food. It says 3 scoops though, so let's go give it to him.
Maybe Toby ain't a dog.
You hungry, Toby? Coming up with your food. Toby?
What the freak was that? That was not a dog, bro.
Food. Toby?
Bro. That is not a dog.
Another note. Please keep lights off. Helps Toby stay calmer while I'm away. Okay.
That is not a dog.
Well, whatever it takes to get the 5-star rating, right? Okay. Here I go. Up the stairs, all by myself, into the dark. Toby.
Yo, be careful, bro.
Where are you?
That dog ain't normal. Careful, bro.
It's so dark. Toby.
Like, what type of dog whine is that?
Come here, buddy. You hungry? Got your food.
Yo, what's up with this room dynamic? You can't see anything.
Toby?
Yo, cut the light on.
Oh, there
okay.
he is. Hi, Toby. You're a little bigger than your dad said. Must
Oh, that's
put
an
the
actual
wrong
dog.
Info in. It's all right. I've got your food. I'm your friend. See?
No, wait. There's something wrong with that dog.
Come over here.
That ain't
It's
a dog,
okay.
bro.
Your dad asked me to come by. All right, it's okay.
That ain't a dog, bro.
So the app requires me to take a photo, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Let's turn on the light so I can see.
That's not a dog, bro. Yo, put the light on the dog. Oh, okay.
What?
Yeah, kind of scared me.
Oh no, dude, no.
He's chilling. That's a big ass dog, though.
That was a person in a dog costume.
Facts.
Man.
Oh
Hey,
my
no.
goodness.
Listen, okay?
He bro's like talking to the
I don't know
dog.
what kind of stuff that you are into, but this is not what the app is for. So I'm going to leave.
Yeah, bro said,
And
I
I
don't
won't
want
say
to do this
anything
no
about
more.
this, but I am gonna go. Okay?
Bro, he can't leave. He unlocked the door remotely. He's about to remotely lock him in. Bro's gonna die.
Just gonna get out of here. Please.
Why are we looking through the rooms? Get out the crib. Oh my gosh! Yo, what the freak? Oh! No!
I'm sorry. Can we try that again?
Did he just break character?
What?
You were doing great. Giving me so much to work with. I know I can really nail it if we can go again.
What?
No, really, just pretend like nothing happened. Let's take it from the top.
What's bro on about?
Okay, is this like a prank thing or something?
I'm sorry. You must be so confused now. Okay, so I'm an actor, right?
Okay.
And I'm up for a role in a new movie about a killer dog who is very protective of his family. Anyway, the point is, the movie opens with a scene of the dog killing the dog sitter. And
oh, no.
I wanted to do something that really stood out, so I thought this footage could make a great audition tape.
Dude, no. Look, I don't want to be your scene partner for whatever kind of like method acting thing you're doing.
I'm so confused.
Well, why not? You were doing so good. We're both just professionals trying to do the best job we possibly can, right? I thought you'd do anything for a 5-star rating.
Yeah, not this, okay? Please, I just want to leave, all right?
Yeah, Toby ain't a dog, bro.
We're not done the scene yet.
All right. If I do this scene with you, do you promise that, like, you're not gonna hurt me? Like, we're just acting, right?
Of course.
Quote, quote.
Because you did scratch me before, but as long as we're just acting.
Can't speak for Toby, though.
Wait, what?
I told you, I need to make this stand out.
No, dude.
You wanna go on your count or mine?
Okay, no, there is no
he's about
count,
to kill this guy.
all right? Seriously, please, I'm begging you, dude.
Please, I'm begging you.
He's mocking the guy.
Okay, on my count.
Yo, no.
3.
No, dude.
2.
Come on.
1.
Stop.
Action.
No!
This is too funny.
You like this toy? Why don't you come get it? Yeah. Okay, Toby. Yeah, good dog. You want this? You want this? Go get it.
Well, Toby might be for us.
Well, that was a first. Probably also a last because I don't think I'll be making any more videos after this.
Well, bro said he
Might
quit.
actually delete my channel. So.
Wait, well, this guy might be dumb. Oh my god!
Let it go! Stop!
Surely he didn't die, right? Oh, he actually killed that man, bro. I knew it. I knew this guy was the freaking guy that did that thing. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, that one had me scared at first, and then I was confused, and then it was kind of funny. I don't know what to say about that one. That one was pretty cool though. I kind of like that one. You definitely get a like. But if you guys did enjoy this video, want to see more, or you want to like, you know, throw in your own, I'll probably throw a post out there in the communities. So subscribe to stay on top of that. You can just link whatever video you want and we'll react to it. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.